Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making sure Chrome isn't fighting other processes. Close Chrome, open Task Manager, and end any Chrome. EXE entries so the browser can restart cleanly. Once done, restart Windows if updates are pending or RAM is low. That prevents transient crashes. Make sure to export bookmarks before deeper fixes so nothing is lost. Next, relaunch Chrome in guest or incognito mode to check if extensions are the culprit, which helps isolate the problem quickly and safely. Now you'll remove likely causes. First, open the extensions page and disable everything, then re-enable one at a time to find the offender. If crashes persist, use Chrome's Reset to restore default settings and clear temporary configuration errors. This fixes corrupted profiles. Also run a malware or PUP scan with Windows Defender or your preferred scanner, because unwanted software can destabilize Chrome. Once those steps are complete, try browsing normally to see if stability returns and note any. If Reset didn't help, fully uninstall Chrome and remove leftover user data to eliminate corrupted files. After uninstall, download the latest stable installer and reinstall Chrome, then sign into your Google profile to sync bookmarks and settings back. Make sure Windows 10 is updated and GPU drivers are current, because driver conflicts often cause crashes. If problems persist, create a new Windows user account to test. If Chrome runs there, the issue is a corrupted user profile. Troubleshoot from that insight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.